In this video, I will show you how to create QR code for Word document. Creating a QR code for a Google Docs or Word document is a great way to share it quickly. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Google Docs. Now, head over into the file that you want to create a QR code for. In here, go ahead and drag your mouse cursor into the extensions tool. So you'll find that on the tools section at the top left of your screen. So click on extensions, and under this, click on add-ons. Click on get add-ons, and in this pop-up, so wait for this pop-up to load. In here, search for QR code generator. Now click on this QR code generator search. In the results, click on the QR code generator that you want to install. By clicking on the install button, you'll be able to install this add-on into your Google Docs. So simply choose your account and authorize the connection between your Google account and this add-on or extension on Google Docs. Now, once this is installed, you will be able to find it under the extension section. So go ahead and close all of these pop-up tabs. Click on QR code barcode generator and click on QR code generator under that. Now this will pop on the right side of your screen. So go ahead and click on this file tool at the top left. Click on share and click on share with others. Copy your Google Docs link and paste that into this section. So you can go ahead and add a QR code label, which would be found in the middle of your QR code. Go ahead and create a QR code label for this Google Docs file. So copy the QR code into your clipboard once you have set all of the necessary things that you want to set in here. So once you copy that into your clipboard, you can go ahead and paste that in any application or anywhere you would prefer. So I would like to test that here in the exact file. So I'll simply paste that into this section. So once I paste it, this will pop up on my document, and that is basically how you can create a QR code for a Word document. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.